Ready to build stronger, more powerful legs? Here are the top 15 exercises for lower body strength, the essential moves everyone should master. Are you truly ready to build a foundation of unshakable strength, to forge legs that are not just for show, but pillars of raw, functional power? The journey to a dominant lower body is not a casual walk. It is a declaration of intent, a commitment to mastering the fundamentals that define true athleticism. Forget the shortcuts and the fleeting trends. We focus on bedrock principles, the essential exercises that have built champions for generations. This is your blueprint for constructing a lower body that commands respect. The path to formidable power, explosive strength, and impressive size begins from the ground up. It is a process built on discipline, intensity, and an unwavering focus on perfect execution. Today we strip away the noise and present the definitive list, the 15 essential movements every serious lifter must master. These are not merely exercises, they are tools. Each one is a key that unlocks a new tier of performance and development. Prepare your mind. Your body is about to be challenged and redefined. This is not about going through the motions. This is deliberate, focused work, understanding each lift, feeling every fiber contract and pushing beyond the comfortable. Leg strength carries to everything, lifting overhead, running faster, jumping higher. Here are the top 15 exercises for lower body strength, the essential moves to unlock your potential. Let's begin the work. We begin with the undisputed king of lower body exercises, the barbell back squat. Not just a leg movement, but a full body statement of strength. Its purpose, raw, foundational strength and mass. The cornerstone of leg power, quadriceps drive, knee extension, while glutes and hamstrings control descent and power the rise. Setup is critical. Feet about shoulder width, toes slightly out for hip mobility. Sit back, not just down, chest up, core braced as if for impact. Break parallel for full activation. Engage glutes and hamstrings. We target the nervous system and muscle together, work in 4 to 6 reps for strength and myofibrillar growth. Command the weight, no chasing a pump, front, goblet or zercher target emphasis, but back squat is the gold standard. From unrack to lockout, focus must be absolute. Brace your core, control the descent, explode up, keep a neutral spine, let form, not ego, dictate load. Master the squat and power transfers to every challenge. Following bilateral power, we move to the lunge. It challenges strength, balance and coordination. Forward emphasizes deceleration and quads. Reverse is easier on knees, more glutes and hamstrings. Walking lunges build endurance and strength. Keep feet on parallel tracks, torso upright, core tight. We now arrive at the undisputed king of strength, the deadlift, a primal act, lifting heavy from the ground. It forges hamstrings, glutes and a fortress core and iron grip. Feet hip width, bar over midfoot, most efficient line of pull. Hips go back, load the posterior chain like a spring. Keep shins nearly vertical. Take a solid grip just outside your legs. Non-negotiable, neutral spine from floor to lockout. Push the floor away, bar travels straight up close to you. Deadlifts thrive on low reps. 3 to 5, reset and execute perfectly. Brace deep and pull with intent, quality over volume. Enter the hip thrust, unparalleled for direct glute targeting, gluteus maximus, medius minimus, prime focus. Drive hips to a straight line, squeeze hard at the top, hold peak 1 to 2 seconds, where the magic happens. Barbell, heavy dumbbell or dedicated machine. Pad the bar, feet flat, shins vertical. Keep tension on glutes, not hamstrings or quads. For growth, 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12. For strength, 5 to 8, perfect heavy reps. Explosive concentric, pause at peak, controlled descent. This is how you architect truly powerful glutes. Power you feel in every stride and jump. GymProLife. We move with purpose. Hinge with integrity. Squeeze with intent. Onward. The Romanian deadlift, precision hinge for elite hamstrings. Begin from the top and own the lowering phase. Slight knee bend, do not keep bending as you descend. Lower only as far as you can with a neutral spine. 2 to 3 seconds down maximizes stretch and tension. Then drive hips forward and squeeze glutes to stand. Use 8-12 reps, challenging but controlled. Bulgarian split squat, single leg strength, stability, symmetry, closer hits quads, longer shifts to glutes and hamstrings, lower, straight, down. No knee, cave, non-negotiable. Pause at depth, then drive through the whole foot. Load with dumbbells, goblet or barbell. For size, 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12. For power, 6 to 8. Front squat bar on the deltoids upright and unforgiving. Clean grip, rests in fingertips. Elbows driven high, mobility required. Or cross arms, still on the deltoid shelf, never the clavicles. Break at hips and knees, chest up, elbows high. Keep load over mid-foot. Aim for hips below knee plane. Drive elbows up and feet through the floor to stay upright. Work 4 to 5 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Perfect form over ego. Hinge with control. Stabilize single leg. Forge the quads. Next station, same standards. The leg press lets you pour effort into your legs without full body fatigue. Press your back and hips into the pad, no lumbar gap. Foot placement dictates emphasis, high for glutes, hamstrings, low for quads, middle for balance. Go as deep as you can without hips lifting or back rounding. Drive through the whole foot, keep heels down, stop just shy of lockout. For size, higher reps. For strength, 6 to 10, always controlled. The glute ham raise integrates glute power and hamstring resilience. Lower with control, pull with hamstrings, finish with a glute squeeze, no GHR, use lying curls, pause for a deliberate peak contraction, start body weight, assist as needed, then add a plate as you grow stronger. Aim 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15. Fatigue the muscle to adapt. Step-ups, deceptively simple, profoundly effective. They simulate ascending, balance, stability, unilateral strength. Lower box, quads, higher box, more glutes and hamstrings. Plant the whole foot. Think about pushing the box down through your heel. Control the way down, resist gravity. Load at your sides or with a bar across your back. 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 per leg. Explode up, control down. Step-ups reveal imbalances. Use them to guide correctives. Anchor the posterior, ascend with control, overload safely. This is the standard. Finish strong, focus. Next, foundations within foundations. Calves, often neglected, absolutely essential. Standing hits gastrocnemius, seated emphasizes soleus. You need both. Commit to full range, deep stretch to a high peak, control tempo, no momentum, all muscle. Train them often with volume, chase the burn. Good morning. Pure hinge for hamstrings, glutes, erectors. Push hips back, keep the spine rigid. Depth limited by hamstring flexibility. Pause at stretch, then power hips forward, squeeze to finish. Start light, add slowly, emphasize the lowering phase. Kettlebell swing, ballistic hip hinge, not a squat and front raise. Hips do the work. Arms guide, brace at the top like a standing plank. Power sets of 10 to 15 or intervals for conditioning. Sumo deadlift, wide stance, upright torso, hands inside. Adductors light up with glutes and hamstrings. Open the hips. Create a wedge, push the world away, keep the bar close, finish tall with full hip extension. Use low reps for maximal strength. T3 to 5, rest generously. Walking lunges, perpetual motion of unilateral strength and endurance. Front knee over ankle, back knee inches off floor, peak tension, then drive. Drive through the heel and flow into the next step. No pause. Cover distance or count quality reps. Stay seamless and stable. Great job today. If this helped you build lower body strength, please like and subscribe. Your support keeps the workouts coming. Which lower body exercise is your favorite? Squats, lunges, deadlifts, or hip thrusts? Tell me below.